Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about some new effects in Adobe Illustrator. They make special things. I'm talking about Photoshop effects. So let's start. All effects today work with any design or any photo in your project, and they come from Adobe Photoshop. For example, I will make an rectangle like this and choose any color, and now open effect menu, and you can choose any effect from here, or you can open effect gallery to show all effects like this. I have all effects here in menus. You can choose artistic. I have here many effects from Photoshop like film green, or I have sponge, or plastic warp, or dry brush, and you can increase the effect from here and increase highlight and intensity. And I have here brush stroke like this, and also you have distort like a glue and glass, ocean rebel, and sketch like graphic pen and chrome. Some effects doesn't work with any vector, and you have stylize, and the last one texture. I have standard glass or green and many effects. You can explore it by yourself. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.